Children, we have already discussed about the combustion. Combustion is a chemical process. A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Combustion, the substance which undergoes the combustion are known as combustible substances. It may also be called a fuel. Air, oxygen, which helps in burning, are called supporter of combustion. And the chemical reaction which takes place with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. During combustion, sometimes heat is accompanied by light, either as flame or a glow during the combustion. This fuel may be a solid, liquid or gas. A combustion reaction may be written as coal burns in air to give rise to carbon dioxide and heat. So coal represented with C, reaction with oxygen is O2 plus O2, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus heat is released. Formation of methane. Methane burns in air forming a carbon dioxide and water and heat. Heat is released in the process. Which of the following is a combustible? Iron nail, grass, stone piece, paper. So which of them are combustible? So to answer, glass is not, okay, iron nail, glass or stone pieces will not burn, and therefore the answer is D. Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance combines with oxygen to form a new substance. Once the combustion process has took place, nothing could be taken back. So essential requirements for producing fire. We need the combustible material which is called as fuel, okay, the substance which undergoes the combustion. Second one, air, which is the supporter, okay, it supplies oxygen. Third one, heat, we need certain amount of heat to start the combustion process, to begin the combustion process. Generally we call this as ignition point. And finally the fire is obtained. Okay, so this fire what we are getting is based on the three major factors. They are conditions required for combustion. So what are the conditions required for combustion? The conditions required for combustion are: 1. The presence of combustible substance. 2. The presence of supporter of combustion, that is air, which gives out the oxygen. And third one, attainment of ignition or kindling temperature. So kindling temperature or ignition temperature is the temperature at which a burning combustible substance will catch fire. So can you put on fire for the log of wood with your matchsticks? it is not possible. Till it acquires certain temperature, it is not possible. That small temperature to which it must be heated for a bit of time, so that temperature is called as ignition temperature. Before it starts catching fire, it need to be heated to a certain temperature. That temperature is called your ignition temperature. So, combustible substances. What are the combustible substances? Substances which burn in air to produce heat, light are called combustible substances. Example: wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas and natural gas, okay, compressed natural gas, or the combustible substances that we see in our daily life. So out of these combustible substances, we have some substances like magnesium catches fire and burns with a dazzling flame, white flame, when heated in air. Similarly, when a piece of paper is brought near the candle flame, it burns, producing heat and light. Charcoal and coal burns in air, producing carbon dioxide and light. Similarly, when oxygen, air or oxygen which helps in burning, we call them as the supporter of combustion. So for the supporter of combustion, already we have discussed an activity, okay, with glass. So here is a candle which we put, okay, which is with closed with the glass. After some time it will be put off. Let us say a candle is placed within the glass and it is covered, and this cover is closed, then also it will be put off. So whatever the situation, if the supply of oxygen is not there, it will be put off. Ignition temperature is the minimum temperature to which a combustible substance be heated before it catches fire. Therefore, a combustible substance cannot catch fire as long as the temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Example: ignition temperature of phosphorus is 35 degrees Celsius. So unless phosphorus is heated to 35 degrees Celsius, it will not catch fire. If the temperature of air is 35 degrees Celsius or more, phosphorus will catch fire without heating. So here is a question, here are the questions for you. What do you mean by supporter of combustion? Name a gas which is non-supporter of combustion. So here the supporter of combustion means which helps in burning. So we do is kerosene to decrease the ignition temperature. That means it is used in decreasing the ignition temperature of the combustible substance, but it is not supporting. Okay, na? Similarly, the supporter of combustion means the oxygen, air or oxygen, which helps in burning the material, combustible material. Name the gas which is a non-supporter of combustion. Carbon dioxide, either as solid carbon dioxide or gaseous carbon dioxide, is used as non-supporter of combustion. That's why carbon dioxide is filled in the cylinders in the fire extinguishers. Along with that, okay, even sand, which is used to put off the fire accidents occur. Okay, coming to the next. Why is the person caught on fire is covered with a blanket? Already I have sent you this question and answer, children. So the explanation is: the clothes of a person catch fire. he immediately wrapped in a thick blanket. The blanket cut off the supply of air, and that is the appearance of combustion, and hence the fire is put off. Why does the fire get off when water is poured over the burning wood? So, it happens because water absorbs large amount of heat energy. It results in fall in the temperature of the combustible material, that is the wood, below its ignition temperature, and therefore the fire is put off. Assignment: explain an activity to show that air, that is oxygen, is essential for the combustion. Is it possible to boil the water in a paper cup? Give reason for your answer. So this is the activity which is already there for you in the textbook, children. You please do it. Coming to the types of combustion. Combustion is mainly of 4 types. They are slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosive combustion. Slow combustion: the combustion in which the combustible material burns at moderate rate and produces heat and light is called slow combustion. Slow combustion usually occurs when there is insufficient supply of air. For example, burning of cow dung cakes, wood, etc. The burning of food material in our stomach will also come under the slow combustion. Rapid combustion: the combustion in which the gas burns rapidly and produces light and heat. Heat and light are called rapid combustion. So here the gas, LPG gas, or your CNG gas comes under the rapid combustion. Petrol, kerosene will burn very fastly. They are also coming under this category. Both burning matchstick is brought near the gas, the burner, and the gas stove. Okay. Burner and the gas tap is open. The gas immediately starts burning with the production of heat and light. Therefore, petrol, LPG, spirit, all these comes under the rapid combustion. Third one, spontaneous combustion: the combustion in which no external heat is given is known as rapid combustion. Now, spontaneous combustion: no external heat is required. By itself it will catch fire. So, white phosphorus, okay, usually takes this phosphorus in air, white phosphorus in air will catch. By itself it will burn. Okay. Then coming to the explosion: when the combustion which a large amount of gases are evolved with the production of tremendous amount of heat, light and sound is called explosion. For example, when a cracker is ignited, the sudden reaction, oxidation process takes place, and in which a high speed large amount of gas is evolved with the production of tremendous amount of heat, light and sound. This type of burning is called rapid combustion. Explosive combustion, children, not rapid. Sorry. Thank you.